everyone, today we are going to do our Collect It for our narrative fiction, our story all about Traction Man. So when we do our Collect It, what we're doing is we're collecting all the words that we want to use in our story. And first we're going to collect language to describe characters. So what that means is I need to find all the language I want to use to describe Traction Man, the evil characters in the story, and little scrubbing brush as well. So let's think about Traction Man first. He is, let's think of some adjectives. Tough, strong, brave, and powerful. Powerful means strong. We've got some nice adjectives there. Tough, strong, brave, and powerful. Let's think about Scrubbing Brush now. So he is Traction Man's friend. He is his sidekick. All heroes have a sidekick. He is loyal. That means he's a good friend and he stays with Traction Man. He's friendly. And he is helpful. Now I have chosen to base my story on this adventure here in the garden with wicked Professor Spade. So now I'm going to think of some adjectives to describe Professor Spade. He is wicked, which means bad. He is cruel, which is another word for bad. He is also a villain. A villain is a high level way of saying bad guy. He is a villain. He is an enemy. And he captures the poor dolls, doesn't he? So maybe the dolls are helpless and terrified when Professor Spade catches them. Terrified dolls. Okay. That's my language to describe characters. Now I have my language to describe characters, I'm going to think of language to describe actions. Now what I mean there is verbs to describe what happens in the story. So the things that Traction Man and Scrubbing Brush do. So maybe they fly or soar. It's a higher level word of saying fly or soar through the air. Maybe they capture the evil Professor Spade. Maybe they guard the garden or save the dolls. Rescue. They crawled in the garden, didn't they? They crawled. Maybe they spied on Professor Spade. Maybe the dolls cheered for Traction Man when he was rescued. Little Scrubbing Brush helped, didn't he? He helped Traction Man. And let's think of one more. Oh, they got Professor Spade tangled in the rope, didn't they? So they tied Professor Spade, who needs capital letters for his name, and they tangled him. There we go. And that's my language to describe actions. Now it's your turn. Have another look at the video of the story. Think about the adjectives you could use to describe Traction Man. Think about the verbs that happen in the story and have a go at writing some of them down.